Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create different gifts on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different products. You go to the gifts option, and here you can find for example, the mugs, puzzles, keyrings, magnets and others. For example, I want the magnet. You can select different shape, for example a square. Click the continue button, select the photo, wait a 5 seconds. You can check that, and if you're okay with that, you can order it with the cart icon at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.